In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post articles on LinkedIn. To get started, head over to your LinkedIn homepage. At the top of the page, you'll see the area where you normally create a regular post. Just below the Start a Post box, look for the option that says Write Article and click it. This opens LinkedIn's article editor, which gives you a more professional long-form format than a standard post. If you manage a company page, take a moment to choose the correct account before you begin writing. In the top left corner, there's a drop-down menu where you can select whether you want to publish the article as yourself or on behalf of your company page. This is important because the article will appear under whichever profile or page you choose, so it's worth double-checking before moving on. Next, add a cover image to make your article look polished and inviting. Click the image icon to upload your photo. LinkedIn recommends using a high-resolution image with dimensions of 698 by 400 pixels. Using the right size helps your cover image display clearly and neatly, which can make a strong first impression when people see your article in their feed. Once that's in place, begin drafting your content. Click into the headline area and type your title. Try to make it clear and specific so readers immediately understand what the article is about. Then click into the Tell Your Story section to write the main body of your article. As you write, you can use LinkedIn's rich text toolbar to format your content. This includes options for headings, text styling, bullet points, and links. These tools help break up the article and make it easier to read, especially if your content is more detailed. You can also add media throughout the article to make it more engaging. Use the plus sign or the formatting icons inside the editor to insert inline images, videos, or quotes. This is a great way to support your message visually and keep readers interested from beginning to end. Just make sure any media you include fits naturally with the content and adds value to what you're saying. When your article is ready, click Next in the top right corner. From there, you'll have the chance to add introductory text that will appear when the article is shared. After that, you can either publish it right away or schedule it to go live on a specific date, and time. Scheduling can be especially useful if you want to post at a time when your audience is most active. And that's how to post articles on LinkedIn.